How to combine PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. So recently I created a tutorial of how to create contact sheets in Adobe Photoshop. Today I'm going to combine all the different contact sheets into one PDF. So inside Adobe Acrobat, I'm going to go to File and Open, and I am going to click on Contact Sheet 1, click Open, and on the right hand side I'm going to click this Pages tab and hover just below page 1. You'll see this plus icon. Click that and select File. If you select File, you can only select one PDF to add to it. I'm just going to add this page 2 here and hit Select, and that should drop page 2 just there. There is another way to do this, which is quicker if you've got multiple pages, is if you go into the sort of folder where you've got all the PDFs, you can drag and drop them into this Pages tab on the right hand side. If you want to move any pages around, just drag them up and down. You can move the pages as you wish. From here, I would go Save As and save that as a combined PDF. And I'm just going to put dash and all. And that's all of my PDFs combined in Adobe Acrobat. So that's how to combine a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you got something out of this video, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.